Hello, good afternoon. My name is Martins. I am a risk consultant working in Texas, United States of America. I recently took my CISA exam. That was December 2nd, 2021, and I passed with one attempt. And this could have been made possible if not for Aaditya This-Much. Aaditya CISA This-Much has actually made it so seamless with well broken down concept, video analysis, and lecture notes just for you to go through, and also more of a mini tests and a mock exam for you to actually break down all the concept that you've actually learned. I must say, if not for the help of Aaditya learning this much, I want to believe it would have been a bit difficult for me to actually have gone through that route, passing 6 exam with one attempt. I'm indeed grateful to him for all the guidance, the lectures he actually did give it to me. And I want to say yes, I do recommend people to actually go to Aaditya Learn This Much to actually get a grasp of actually what is obtainable there. It's a top notch. I want to implore you guys to actually check it out. Once again, I want to thank Aaditya This Much for the opportunity to actually embrace his app to make sure passing this exam in one attempt possible. Once again, thank you.